Alright, for a while I've been thinking about adding more DIY projects on my channel, not just gym equipment, so other kind of DIYs such as furniture or practical stuff around my house. So that's what I'm gonna start doing today. In this video I'm gonna make an industrial looking round coffee table. I'll still be making some gym equipment, but currently my indoor gym is all full with lots of stuff, with all the equipment that I made. But I do have some plans on new projects, so they will be coming sometime soon. The table that I'll be making will be out of a round wood plate. I've had this one in my house for all the time I've been living here. It was here when we moved in here. And for all those years, I've just been wanting, I'm gonna make a project of that one day, and that day has come. Then I'll coat it with a cherry colored table oil. The base and the feet of the table will be industrial looking. It will be made of steel pipes and fittings. And the base will be colored matte black. Alright, the materials that I'll be using for the base and the feet will be all that I have here. Just underneath the wood plate, there'll be wall flanges from key clamps. Then there's gonna be 20 centimeter steel pipe connected to a T, to another 20 centimeter steel pipe. That's the legs. And between the legs, there'll be 30 centimeter pipes connected to a cross in the center and another 30 centimeter pipe. In the bottom of the feet, I'll use threaded end caps. And with all those threaded fittings and pipes, it will be easy to adjust the height of it and level it out. Alright, so the tabletop have been stained with the cherry colored oil, and there's a few spots that stands out, and overall I think it's a bit too shiny, so I've already done on the bottom. I've just run it over the grit 400, so I'm gonna do this on the top as well. I'm gonna give it a really nice and less shiny look, and more matte like all the steel parts for the base and the foot. I also done painting them, so they are all matte black now and ready to be assembled. So just gonna run this over and put everything together. So I'm done sanding the table down, and now I'll flip it around and put some legs on it. I did have to improve some of the spots with a grit 120, and then restain it, let it dry, and grind it with a grit 400 again. So, but now I think the surface looks really nice. So let's flip it around, put some legs on it, and then it will be done. For the base, I started by laying out all the steel components. Then I assembled the center section consisting of 4 3/4 inch pipes of 30 centimeters and a cross. I added adhesive felt pads to all of the threaded end caps to protect my floor. I assembled all the legs consisting of 2 3/4 inch pipes of 20 centimeters and a T, and the threaded end cap with the felt pad. Then I marked the center of the table plate with some chalk so I could easily wipe it out again. I put my laser measuring tool on the center of the base and made sure that it was aligned on top of the cross that I marked with some chalk. And then I measured the position of all the wall flanges to see if they had the same distance from the edge of the table. And then finally I screwed everything together. Make sure to use screws that are not so long that they will go through the table. I had some trouble finding a proper length for this one. It has the end result. I'm pretty happy with it. It wasn't really what I intended it to start with. My original idea was to use a flame on the wood plate so all the texture would be darker. But I tried using my burner, but it wasn't intense enough. So I would have to burn it for a long time before it got some color. So I decided not to do it, but I'm pretty happy with the result. It looks great. So that's it, guys. As I said, I'm probably going to add more DIYs on my channel, not just gym equipment, but also furniture and other practical stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button. And if have you already done so, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.